No, I'm not asking just of you. Got to make it.
Hey cousins, welcome back to my channel. Today we are featuring this beautiful unit by Eunice Hair on Amazon. So if you guys are interested in checking out this wig, make sure you check my description box. All links will be there, as well as any information you will want to know about the details on my unit. But here they go. This is their 7x5 pre-cut lace front wig. It is 100% human hair. It comes with bleach knots. The style is balayage black blonde highlights, and it's a part of their Bye Bye Knots collection. This wig is 100% wear and go. You see, it comes with pre-cut lace, perfect for beginners or, you know, my lazy girl wig wearers like myself. I'm loving these wigs that come with the work done for you because you don't have to do too much. As you guys can see, I did decide to mold this wig down with my Got2b glue in another brand, but we're not gonna say their name. But yes, I decided to lay this unit down, but you don't have to because it is 100% glueless. If you guys are wondering about the length that I am wearing, I have it in 18 inches, and I like this unit in this length for everyday wear. I love the color. It's very subtle, and it didn't come with any like pronounced smell, thank goodness, because some units from overseas do have, you know, a little stench to it, and we don't like that or whatever, especially when you're doing a straight out the package install like I am doing right now. So the only thing that I ended up doing with this wig is trimming off a little bit of lace, and I added 2 little swoops and, you know, made the wig my own, as you guys are going to see as this video goes on. And it was very effortless, if I do say so myself. So I'm going to hush and let you guys continue to watch, and I'll be back at the end. Guys can see, this wig comes styled for you. I did hop in the shower, so the curls completely failed, but it comes already ready to go in the middle part, and I wish I would have rocked the middle part, but me being who I am, I changed it to a right side part, and I kind of regret that because I was liking the way it was looking in the middle part. So you guys, you get to see, you know, both visions. I'm going to go ahead and add a few layers and everything. So I'm going to hush again and let you guys rock out. So we're coming to the conclusion of this video, and I loved how this wig looked when the curls drop more. I'm going to add a small clip of how it looked once it dropped. This day I was going to a family function. I will incorporate a little footage from that, but I really do love the style of this wig. I just wish I would have left it in the middle part because I think it would have ate down better, especially with this particular length. But you guys let me know how you feel about this unit. It does hold a curl. It doesn't shed hardly at all. And like I said, it didn't come with any foul smell. Everything was definitely good to go. The price is affordable. Everything for Eunice Hair will be linked down below in my description box. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you guys for rocking with me, especially through my inconsistencies, y'all. I'm getting my life together. I appreciate you guys so much. If life has been lifing for any of you guys the way it's been lifing for me, keep your head up, stay prayed up, practice self-care. We got this. And yeah, until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Love y'all. See y'all in the comment section.